Men, and I use the term ever so loosely, as usual. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I can't resist it. A while back, you guys got seemingly a great deal of entertainment out of a K model I found on Craigslist. Well, guess what? I'm back again. I found another one, and these people, I really don't want to do this kind of stuff, but they open themselves up, and I can't resist myself. But let me tell you, Ironhead Peg peruses eBay, Craigslist, and things like that, looking for things that might be interesting to me. Anything that says flathead, K model, shovelhead, knucklehead, panhead, those I'm drawn to immediately. Anything to do with Evo and later, I really don't care about. But, throw the word flathead out there and I want to see what it is. She found this little gem for me just the other day. Harley Davidson 1953K, $1,000. You attach a K model to something, and a set of spokes might be worth $1,000, according to some people. Not me, but some people. But anyway, I saw that and I had to peruse it a little bit. So we're going to look at the pictures one at a time, and I'm going to tell you what I think. And we'll try to zoom in here so you can get a better look at what's going on. So let's start with the title of his advertisement here. Harley Davidson 1953K, $1,000, Arlington. That's Arlington, Texas. Anything having to do with the K model for $1,000 sounds immediately like it's probably going to be a very good deal. So my interest was piqued, so to speak, and I had to see what was going on. And as expected, the story quickly begins to unravel. This is the description, copy and pasted for ease of your viewing and reading pleasure. Nothing's been edited. 53 HD Sportster Softail K gooseneck frame. Ay, ay, ay. So is it a Sportster? Is it a Softail? Or is it a K model? Apparently he doesn't really know. All bungs but one top center. I've got everything but the engine and wheels. Okay. A number of carbs, original and aftermarket, HD parts, too many to list. Click the photo and zoom in to figure it out. I want it gone ASAP. +4 DNA Springer. The tank has been cut but tacked back together. I don't know. I didn't do it. I know what I have. No BS lowball. Well, personally, I don't think he has any idea what he has because none of this is a K model. Cash Talks, no title. 682346091 is his telephone number. I called the number a couple times. Just a very weird answer I got. No person, no explanations. So let's look at some of the pictures. Okay, so these are pictures off of his ad. We got what is clearly a Sportster frame with a gooseneck and a gusset that have been welded in. If this was done nicely, which of course you can't tell from the pictures, that could be a pretty nice thing. Okay, make no mistake about it. This is a 70 era's frame. This bent piece of metal over here made its first appearance in 1972, I do believe. Prior to that, that junction of these frame tubes would have been a forging. Not unsurprisingly, the steel bar flexed a lot more than the forging did, so Harley added these steel straps, I believe in 73 at first by Service Bulletin, and then shortly thereafter they became standard production items. And what do we got in this picture? We got a shovel head cam cover, it sure looks like. And we got a couple of fenders. One, I believe, is not even a Harley fender. And the other one is definitely not a K model fender. It's a 70s era Harley fender, front fender. So, in an effort to mix it up a little bit, let's throw in an Evo style front master cylinder. Now let's go ahead and throw in a big twin gear shift lever. And paying homage to the import cycle business, we got two sets of import carbs off of something like maybe a Yamaha 650. And now a couple of round slide Makunis, maybe VM38s. They could be used on a Harley at least, but they certainly ain't K model. Probably the nicest piece out of this assortment of junk is the Springer. If you like Springers, which I don't, but the Springer could easily be worth $500 or $600 if it's in decent shape. But anyway, the Springer, yeah, definitely not K model, but probably definitely the nicest piece of this pile of junk. And the bolt-on hardtail, which you could bolt on to your K model if you had a K model, which of course this guy does not. And then there is the Evo Sportster tank. Actually, it looks like there were probably two of them, and it looks like they got cut in half and tack welded back together again, like a guy was trying to stretch one. So yeah, that might be the beginning of a good project. Got a long way to go though. And then there are these exhaust pipes. I'm kind of thinking these might be 79 Sportster. They got that weird gooseneck in them like the 79s had. But I don't know for sure. As usual, you guys could correct me wherever I'm wrong in this video, and I may be wrong about some of this stuff. So let's wrap this one up. This is probably not nice to do these videos like this. But if you're going to throw this crap out there, and this is a load of crap, you got to expect people to call you out on it. This particular pile of crap, it's not a soft tail, it's not a K model. Yes, there is a gooseneck frame. Nothing in there I saw dates from 1953. Obviously, the guy doesn't know what he has, and he's full of a load of BS, and the best he deserves is a lowball offer on this pile of shit. The Springer, I give him a couple $100 for. The whole pile, a couple of $100. No title, no documentation. The only thing with the VIN on it, if it's still there, would be the frame. And, the frame obviously is not a 53. So, once again, people throw this out there, no documentation, no substantiation, expect to get called out on it. This is a load of shit. Don't fall for this shit when you see it on the internet. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.